Hey everyone, I'm Aditya, the guy who goes through 100 AI updates so you don't have to. AI news is non-stop. Miss a day and suddenly you're hearing new tools, terms and big shifts that no one bothered to explain. But don't worry, I've done the homework. This week had it all: game-changing tools, wild updates and announcements that are already reshaping how we work. If it flew under your radar, no stress. I've wrapped it all up in one clean update. Settle in. Here's everything worth knowing from this week in AI. Breaking news. China just shook the AI world. We all thought ChatGPT was the king of AI, but China just said, hold my tea. They didn't just launch DeepSeek, they dropped 3 more AI chatbots that are miles ahead of ChatGPT, and the best part, they're completely free. Let's dive in. First, Qwen 2.5 by Alibaba, the ultimate powerhouse. This AI does everything. ChatGPT can just better, generates AI, images, searches the web in real time, codes like a pro, and even creates AI-powered videos. Imagine a one-stop AI for content creators, coders, and researchers. Game changer, right? Second, Minimax O1, the knowledge giant. Brace yourself. This is the biggest open source AI model to date. Memory, a mind-blowing 4 million token context window. That's the size of a small library. You can even upload 100 megabyte file and let this AI process an insane amount of data at once. This AI is built for deep research, document analysis, and long context understanding. If you've ever felt frustrated with ChatGPT forgetting things, this will blow your mind. Third, Kimike 1.5 by Moonshot, the genius AI. This one's a math and reasoning wizard. It's crazy good at advanced problem solving, coding like an AI engineer, high-level logic and critical thinking. This AI is smarter, sharper, and faster. Whether you're into coding, finance, or just love testing AI limits, wanna try them all for free? Drop model in the comments and I'll DM you all the links. China isn't just competing, they're rewriting the AI game. Are you ready to explore the future? AI isn't just assisting us anymore, it's taking over the wheel. And if you're not paying attention, you might just get left behind. Not too long ago, AI was just another tool, a cool gadget, a helper, but now it's becoming the worker, the decision maker, the innovator. The shift is happening fast and it's unfolding in 5 levels of AI agents. Level 1, the generalist chat. The ChatGPT era, broad knowledge, decent answers, but not specialized. Think of it as a really smart intern that still needs your guidance. Level 2, subject matter experts. AI trained on specific industries, law, finance, healthcare. Now, it's not just answering questions, it's giving expert insights. Level 3, autonomous agents. We're here. AI that doesn't just suggest solutions, but actually executes tasks on its own. No more should I, it just does. Level 4, AI innovators. These agents don't just follow rules, they create new ones. Think AI-powered research and development, designing product, strategizing and breaking limits we thought were human only. Level 5, AI-first organizations. Imagine a company where AI runs entire workflows, makes key decisions and scales like a 3-person unicorn startup. The co-pilot era, that's over. AI is becoming the pilot. By 2027, nearly half of companies will rely on AI agents to run key processes. As some will adapt, most won't. So the real question is, where does your company fit into this evolution? If your project isn't hosted, it's just a glorified folder on your laptop. But what if you could deploy it on AWS without touching EC2, VPC or RDS? Sounds like magic, right? Well, meet Elastic Beanstalk. Let's break it down. You built a web app using Node.js or Python, Java, Ruby, your pick. Now you need to host it so recruiters and the world can actually see it. Instead of manually setting up servers, databases, networking and load balancers, just head to AWS Elastic Beanstalk and upload your code. It takes care of everything. How it works: automates deployment, no need to configure EC2, RDS or even Route 53 manually, auto scales traffic. If your app goes viral thanks to that LinkedIn post, Beanstalk scales up automatically. Built-in monitoring, view logs, performance stats and errors straight from the dashboard. Multi-language support, works with Node.js, Python, PHP, Ruby, .NET and more. Zero cost for Beanstalk itself. You only pay for the AWS resources used, EC2, S3, RDS, etc. Want to turn your side projects into real-world hosted applications? Start experimenting with Elastic Beanstalk today. And if you love learning AWS tricks like this, stick around, more secrets dropping soon. 3 free GitHub tools you wish you knew sooner. Bookmark this now. If you're into coding, these open source tools will make your life 10 times easier. Let's dive in. First, Git diagram. See your repo like never before. Ever opened a GitHub repo and felt lost? Instead of clicking through endless files, just paste your repo link into Git diagram and it will generate a visual representation of the entire repo structure. No more confusion, just clean, clear diagrams. Second, Git ingest. Make AI understand your code. Ever wish ChatGPT or Claude could read your entire repository and answer questions about it? This tool converts your entire repo into a single file, making it easy to feed into an LLM, perfect for debugging, documentation or AI-powered code assistance. Third, Git star history. Show off your repo's growth. You've probably seen those cool star history graphs in GitHub repos. Want one for your own repo? Just paste the link and this tool will generate a beautiful timeline of your repo stars, perfect for showcasing growth on LinkedIn, Twitter or Reddit. All these tools are free and open source. Links are in the first comment. Tag a developer who needs this and don't forget to save this for later. And that's a wrap on this week's AI roller coaster. If this saved you time and FOMO, drop a like and tell me in the comments which update totally blew your mind. Want to stay ahead of the curve without losing your mind? Don't miss out. Follow us on YouTube and Instagram for the next AI drop. That'll have you rethinking your entire workflow. That's all for now. Take it easy, keep exploring, and I'll catch you in the next one.